Tools and equipments: hammer, screwdriver, scissor, pliers, spanner, tester, axe, hacksaw, saw, tape measure, nail, claw hammer, electric drill, Allen key, PVC insulation tape, chisel, soldering iron, wrench, nut, bolt, screw, corkscrew, spade, shovel, scraper, toolbox, anvil, mallet, circular saw, bradawl, clump, Teflon tape, belt, voice, step ladder, edge tool, foil, flange, fork, jumper, center punch, sander, hatchet, pocket knife, brace, spirit level, plunger, lug nuts. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.